Tita Nelsie,
Ate Nels,
Ate Nelsie buhay.
Mama Nelsie,
Ate Nelsie.
Ate Nelsie,
happy birthday Tita Nelsie, and happy retirement na din.
happy birthday! Happy birthday, Ate Nels. Happy retirement day.
Congratulations on your next journey.
And we are all rooting for you. We love you! Mwah! I'm just so happy that kahit pa paano, tita, I got the chance to work with you pa.
My senior stenographer, miss kita. Mamimiss ko yung collaboration natin ng mga mahihirap na orders. Mamimiss ko lahat!
Happy birthday. Mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo. Then, magpakasaya ka. No more stress. All you have to do is to follow your heart and desire. I love you. Mamimiss kita.
Sana ma-enjoy mo po yung retirement mo.
And sana maging masaya ka po kung saang lugar ka man pupunta.
We love you po.
And we will miss you po. Enjoy, Ate Nelsie. Bye-bye!
Congratulations and happy retirement, Mama Nelsie. One of the silent superheroes in court. Sana po mag-enjoy kayo and wish you all the best in life at sa new journey ng pagre-retiro mo. Bye-bye!
Ano dito? Yung sintomas sa mga buntis nandito.
Wala!
Nelsie, nagpapasalamat ako sa iyo nung panahon na nangangailangan po ako ng tulong pinansyal nung time po na ako na-appoint po as a judiciary.
Mama Nelsie, happy retirement day and happy birthday. Thank you sa maiksing panahon na pagsasama bilang kaibigan, katrabaho, nanay.
Okay, Nelsie, happy birthday and happy retirement as well.